So guys, hello, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today I am going to make a gardening vlog. So guys, here is my jade plant and here is its pots. It says me 9 months since I bought this jade plant from the nursery. Now I think it's time for its repotting because the pot is very small according to its height. So guys, I have here pots in which I am going to grow these plants.
Close till I get up. Time is
So guys, it is a root bomb problem as I think.
and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
So guys, it's now the turn for the repotting of my jade plant.
and on we'll go.
So guys, here is my jade plant out of the pot and it has also a root bound problem I have noticed in it.
In us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
So guys, now it's a turn for the repotting of this plant and this plant has a root bound problem. Guys, it is going to break the pot.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, here it's a very small oleander plant which I have grown from a cutting and it has developed its roots. So I am going to pot this plant in a very large pot.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So guys, here is my danthus plant which I have bought 2 years ago and it is not tried since, so I am going to do repotting of it.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see.
So guys, I hope you like the video. So like the video, share the video and comment down below and also subscribe to my channel.